Hi guys, just an update on my one month journey with my indie app so far. So if you're watching the video for the first time, this is my indie app. This is called Hydrogen Hero, where you have this little cute guy, and whatever drink you drink, he's gonna react. Have a drink from the table and give you a reaction as per that. And it's got a lot of other cool things. You can challenge your friends for different kind of challenges to have a drink or not to have coffee or to skip alcohol, or you can get like a whole log of your activities, what you drink, what time is best for your drinking, etc., etc. So more you can see on the App Store what's it about. So the journey that I'm going through is understanding how to put my app on the App Store and market it. And this one month, what I've learned is there are so many avenues for indie app developers to market it, but the best is to start early. And the earlier you start, and the build-in public thing that I've been watching some influencer talk about, if I would have started it earlier, I would have had much better downloads on this app than I have right now. But not too late. Better late than never. So what I've done this past month was there was a hackathon from Revenue Cat called Shipaton. My initial plan was to only launch my app on the App Store in Australia, but because of the hackathon, I published it in America and Canada as well. So this was the hackathon from Revenue Cat, and you can see they had 1,700 participants, and there's a big project gallery. Some winners, some look really good, some don't look really good, but they must be doing something well. That's why they're the winners. And in the sea of the other projects is my projects, just sitting there with no comments, nothing. It would have been good if you got some feedback because you spend a lot of time to publish your entry onto these shipathons, and I did my release earlier because of the shipathon, and I got no feedback. So if from the professionals I would have got some feedback, it would have been much appreciated, but that's the development journey. You just have to keep throwing things and then see what feedback you can get from people. So what else I've been doing this past month? I did my Apple Search Ad certification. It's what Apple recommends. So when you're doing you're starting to run your ads, it will tell you that you can do the certification. I would recommend doing it because it tells you the basic campaign setup that you do. So you do like four major campaigns: discovery, brand, competitor and category. And then it takes you through the whole journey of how you actually use those campaigns and what keywords do you put where and how to use the negative keywords and everything. So if you are an independent developer running ads, definitely I would recommend doing that. Don't just jump straight into it. What else I did? I signed up to this tool called App Radar. So far, I'm not very happy with it because, oh, well, I'll tell you what it does first. Basically, it helps you optimize your app store performance. So all the keywords and everything that you put on your app store listing is what app store use to serve the listing to the people who are searching for organic search. So this helps you per country as well. You can set up your listings. See, different countries will have different contexts for each keyword, so you can use that. And it also helps you see other metrics. But all these metrics are also available and the App Store Connect. Mostly here, this is more fancier looking. I wanted it mostly just for the keywords to find the keywords and to get keyword suggestions. But so far, my experience with that isn't that great. It doesn't give me that many great keywords. And even when I'm doing the App Store optimization for a different region, it doesn't give me this that region's keywords on the right hand side. That would be more intuitive to me. So if I'm looking at, for example, Chinese keywords on the right hand side, these has been my track keyword that I had to go in and track myself. It will not suggest me my own keyword that would suit the best or as per the competitors' keywords that they're using that I can use. So that's a bit annoying, which some other tools do. So I might move from this tool. What else I've been doing this month? I've been in touch with some product hunt people. Somebody asked if they can charge me $500 to share my product on their page, and then they would give me 150 upwards, and then they would give me some links to some Reddits. 550 US dollars is, I don't know if it's worth it or not. A lot of people say that product hunt is not the place to be now, and the users that you get are mostly, well, people say it's like a, um, not the right word, but circle jerk for all founders. So, that's one of the things that I'm still contemplating. Should I go ahead and do it or not? Do I see value in that or not? Other than that, I've been running my Apple ads, which has been not too bad. Apple's Apple campaign also, you can see my current conversion rate is pretty low. I've got some impressions. I've got, well, I've got a lot of impressions now. This is after actually running the ads. I've got more impressions. I didn't have that many impressions before. I'm running the ads in Big Four right now, which is Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and USA, of course. So I am getting more impressions now after the ads, but uh, not as much as I would like. But the Apple search has definitely helped. I've got like around 16, 17 installs for $60 around, but that was all from the free Apple credit. So I didn't have to pay from my pocket so far. So I'm happy with that. Other than that, in the app development journey, it's a lot about just pestering on your social media about your app and annoying people with your feed that, oh, I've got this cool thing, you want to go check it out. So that is a pain point, very frustrating if you're not a marketer or if you're not really used to going out and posting things. Even this video is a bit out of the comfort zone. But if you are going in the independent app development journey, I think this is what you have to do. If you have any other tips, if you're more far in the journey than me, please share, put on the comment below. And thank you so much.